This Digistore24 affiliate marketing strategy is perfect even for beginners, since you can start for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. Just make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you to not forget to subscribe to Edonemia's World for more videos like these ones. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed right away. So your very first step is to come over to Digistore24.com. Basically, you're going to just register for a free account. So click on the register now button up here, and then it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to just sign up as an affiliate by putting your username, email address, password, your name, address, and so on. The company, it's not required, so you can leave it empty. Then you're going to put your country, it is available worldwide, and then you're going to just log into your brand new account. So you're going to notice in the left hand side a lot of digital products which are in different categories, just like animals and pets, business and investment, computer and internet, dating, love and relationships, fashion, fitness and health, languages, and so on. So you can just choose any kind of category that you like, and of course I'm going to show you what you need to do next and how you can find your products. So once you just choose a category, I'm going with the dating, love and relationships. You can go for this one too, since I'm going to show you a strategy. You can even just go over for any kind of product that you like. So for example, this is your affiliate link for the first product. You're going to notice how much commission you can earn, also how much money, and so on. If you click on the promote now button, which is going to find under any of these products, you can just click here and it's going to give you immediately your special link. You can get it for any kind of product that you want, of course. So as I said, even before I was going for this kind of product, you can just click here on affiliate support page, and it's going to give you even more information about that product, and you're going to notice what kind of product it is. So for example, this is like a book which gives you some relationship advice. So of course you're going to focus on the relationship niche, so you're going to find people that are interested in purchasing that product, and we're going to build like a strategy all around this niche. So what you can basically do is to take advantage of TikTok in order to find a free audience, and you can use it as a free traffic source. You can go over to TikTok and you can just search for relationships advice. It's going to give you a lot of viral videos over here. You're going to notice what other creators are doing. You're going to see that this video is pretty awesome actually. They're just putting some quotes in it and just stock footage actually, because this is stock footage of some people here that may be in relationship or not. And of course I'm going to show you where you can find stock footage in order to create your own TikTok account and create the same content, of course. So I'm going to show you also some examples from different pages. For example, this account here, it's called Manifestation 365. Of course you can even focus on the manifestation category if you want to. You can just find this kind of content here created. They're just putting some quotes on this kind of videos. So it's like the same video for used even more than 3 times, and you can do the same thing as well. So you can just give some relationship advice here in this kind of videos by using some videos related to beaches, sunsets, and so on. So this is another example. Even this platform is giving some facts, for example, boys facts, girls facts, and so on. And you can do the same thing as well, even relationship facts. And they are just using some nature content in order to do these videos. And of course these are stock footage that you can find anywhere. I'm going to show you where actually, because it is a website that is going to help you with this part. So you're going to just create an TikTok account all related to this kind of quotes, of course, and then you're going to promote your affiliate link in the bio here. So first of all, you need to reach like 1,000 of followers here on TikTok, so you can be able to post affiliate links on your bio. And of course you can just reach it really soon, since you need to stay consistent and you're going to start posting every single day, and this content is going to be in high quality as well. So as I said before, I was going to give you that platform where you can go and just get some really nice content. This is called pexels.com, and it is like the best free stock photos and royalty free images and videos shared by creators. This is a platform where you can find a lot of content related to anything that comes to your mind. You can just search for for a relationship here in the search bar, and it's going to give you a lot of images and photos and even videos as well. They are in high quality, so you can just download them on your computer or even on your smartphone device, since they also offer an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can just directly get those content on your smartphone device, and then you can upload them over to TikTok and add some text on it. You're going to add some relationship codes, for example, that you can find over at Google by just searching for relationship codes. As you can see, it gives you a lot of results. You can never run out of these quotes, and of course there are a lot of content even on Pexels. Actually, we can even find another platform called pixabay.com, which gives you the same content as well. Just download them for free on your device, and you're going to add some text on them and give some relationship codes. So of course then you're going to use the right hashtags that you can find under these viral videos. Also, you're going to put some viral sounds as well, so you can start growing your TikTok account as soon as possible and reach a lot of interested people as well. Of course, once you're going to grow your account, you'll be able to put your link in the bio, and people can go over there so they can just find this digital product that is going to give them a lot of relationship advice. And I want to mention that you can even find other products in the same niche, and what you can basically do is get different affiliate links, and you can collect all of them together using a link tree. So you can use your link tree by using those affiliate links in one place, and you're going to have one simple link. Just put that on your bio on the TikTok account, and of course people can click on it and they can go for each kind of affiliate links and for different products as well. Whenever they purchase something, you're going to earn a commission from that, and I recommend that you just start posting every single day, and of course you can reach the most people like this. And don't forget to mention in the description that people can just go over in the link in the bio and check out the product that you are promoting. Of course, you're going to just write a call to action so you can get people to click in the link on your bio. So basically it's very easy. Find like a product related to any kind of category that you want. Of course, you can even go over for another niche if you want to, and you're going to create a TikTok account related to that niche. Find different products in here, and of course you can just get different affiliate links if you want to, and you can just get them in one place through Linktree in one link. Put that link on your TikTok bio, and of course you're going to start creating content, just like I said even before, by using some stock footage from Pexels. And once you get this footage, you can add some quotes that you can find from Google, of course. So it's like a pretty easy strategy that you can do even as a beginner and for absolutely free. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World.